You read it to Mommy? What's that?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's a
Your big rig?
very big.
Yeah. What's that one?
Good. Good.
Dump truck.
Ladder.
Uh-huh.
It.
Mini loader.
Oh,
Airport fire truck.
what's here?
What is that? Delivery truck?
It's
What's this one?
Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Digger.
Digger. What's that one?
Paper.
Scraper.
Oh, guitar.
It carries cars. You're right. Semi truck that carries cars.
Big right here.
There's
Car.
a van right here and a car. You're right. What's that?
Right here.
Are you going to go back to that page?
Cars.
Tell me what that one is.
A bear.
A what? Mailman. Oh, what's this one?
This is.
Bulldozer. What's that one? Dumper. You're not excited about it this time around, huh?
Oh, tiger.
Oh, fire truck. That's exciting.
That's a.
What's that?
That's good.
Gas truck. What's this one? Lawnmower. Excavator. What's the other one? A brush rig. Garbage truck. A snowplow. What's the last one? What's that? Last page. You're right.
Good.
Oh, you hear a school bus. Okay, the end.